I need a break. Oh! Oh!
Why they skipping, bro? They not fucking with the outfit? They like y'all in the Halloween spirit, bro? Why he laughing at me? You not fucking with it, bro?
Nah, he's
Clip that.
Nah, he's actually the Lorax.
Yeah. Hold on.
Oh no, that's okay. Oh, you got it, gang.
I killed that though. Hold on. Yup.
Hey, you should have seen the poses he was just doing, bro.
I seen the.
Why you rubbing on yourself? I get it.
I can't rub my belly, bro. I'm the Lorax, bro. I protect the trees. I got to.
But like, do you gotta rub your belly though?
Do you not like me rubbing my belly?
I did. There's no
it kind of
problem.
makes
It's your
me
body.
uncomfortable.
It's your body. But
Can I rub your belly?
Huh?
Tell him about Tim Bone. Hold on. I gotta introduce Tim Bone to everybody else, bro. Hold on. What's up, bro?
What the fuck is that?
Bro, you not fucking with the lyrics, bro?
Yeah, but what? Why?
It's Halloween, bro. You not in the spirit?
Fuck it. This is Halloween. Yeah, of course.
Bro, my dude Tim Bone. He really a street runner. Say hey to Tim.
How you doing there?
You see, he waved at you, bro. Like
that guy is kind of rude, man. I think he want to smoke with me.
Who? Tim Bone?
Yeah, man, Timbo.
I'm not gonna lie, you don't want smoke with Tim Bone. Tim Bone a real
that guy
YN.
like he wants some beef with me, man.
Tim Bone got beef with everybody, but Tim Bone's safe. Look, I'm here with him. You know what I'm saying? He ain't gonna touch you. He killed 50 dudes in one day.
Okay. All right, man. I'm not gonna touch him then. He is not good.
Look, Tim Bone cool, bro. He not gonna up it on you, bro. He cool with people, bro.
All right.
He might be a little racist though, just a little bit.
God damn.
He might be part of the KKK.
I can feel it all the way from here in my Asian ass. No.
You have to use upper GAs, bro. The way this looking. Hello, is it good?
Like adults?
Yo, what's good, bro? Hold on,
W costume, bro.
Hold on. Nah, you talk about W costume. W costume on you, bro. Hold on, let me see it. Huh? Yeah, hold on.
Go me, baby. That's what I wanted to fucking find today.
Bro,
Who
that's
is
what I'm
wearing
saying.
one Halloween?
I'm trying to see whoever got a Halloween costume, bro. I'm like, they not festive, bro. I see it, bro. You really gotta hit that. You gotta hit that.
What the fuck?
Yo, he just got on all fours. Yo, he get into game. Oh, he tuned that thing. Y'all saw that, bro? Hold on. But where did he go?
Bro, that's a sick costume. Holy
That's what I was
belly.
saying. Look, bro, hold on. Let me hit my stance real quick, bro. Hold on.
Oh, holy yacht as well.
Oh.
Damn.
Hold on.
No, what just happened?
But that man's stuff just crashed. Did he experience on monkey? I thought he was gonna take my butt, bro. I thought he was gonna take my butt. Like, I can't keep doing this, bro. I just came on here to see somebody trick or treating. I didn't come on here to get a trick and then no treat. Every dude on here is just whacking it.
Wait, can I bring a song for you?
Yeah, go ahead.
Alexa, play Let It Grow. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Hold on. Let me get right. He's playing.
Ready? Hold on.
You don't know me, but my name's Sai. Your hair did revive, but it seems like trees might be worth it. So I let it go.
Bro!
Killing it though.
I said Wesley kind of bro. Yeah. Damn, bro. Yeah.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh my god, what in the world?
Y'all don't like Halloween?
No, I love it.
Y'all don't be trick or treating?
Can you sing that Lorax song?
Hold on. Let it grow, let it grow. Hold on. Let it grow. Let it grow. Yeah. Yeah, I did that, didn't it? I killed that. Hold
Yeah,
on.
you did. You hit some dances.
Y'all want me? Hold on.
Hey,
Hold on.
I gave you that beat. I was not expecting that.
Hello? Why everybody laughing whenever I pop up?
Wow, that looks amazing.
Thank you. I put hard work and dedication into this. You see the gut?
I see it.
I look exactly like him, don't I?
Yes, but black.
I'm a nigga tree.
Oh.
See, like black people got, died from me, and then I became a nigga tree. Like
Okay.
Howard. You not celebrating Halloween or nothing?
No.
You just wait. Why is it sunlight in your? What time is it for you?
5:40.
A.M. Oh, I'm tripping.
Yeah.
I'm tripping. Tell her she's so pretty.
No. Oh, you're beautiful, man.
Thank you. You're beautiful. You over here complimenting me. You need to be complimenting yourself. You over there looking good. Getting your hair done.
What the hell are you talking about?
Me? No, you need to
Yes,
stop.
you.
Because you hyping me up, but you need to be hyping yourself up.
I'm not good at that.
What you mean?
I'm not good at that. Plus, I'm like mid getting ready, so I'm not.
Okay, and you look good.
I'm loading in right now. My hair is literally loading.
I bet that it's gonna be a 10 out of 10 look. No cap. Type shit. Get that John. Why everybody laughing, bruh? Why everybody laughing? Do I really look goofy? I can't, bro. Everybody laughing at me, bro. Oh, I'm done, bro. Everybody laughing at me. And don't laugh. He's like a father they always check up on. So go ahead, laugh. Go ahead, get your pictures, bro. Go ahead. Everybody been laughing at me, bro. Like,
And you're crooked. You don't even look like him for real.
What you mean?
You need some bones on that meat. I mean, you need some meat on your bones.
I got all the meat in the right places.
You too big to be doing Halloween stuff.
What you mean? Oh.
And ooh, your equipment falling.
Bro, my equipment falling off too, bro. She on my ass. Everybody laughing at me, bro. Hold up. Hold up.
Oh my god!
You fuck with
Was
it?
that Lil
You fuck with it? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. You fucking with it? You fucking. Hold on.
Yes! Oh my! Oh! Oh! I know you. I love it. Rock.
Hold on. Let me do my little dance and dance though. Let me do my little dance.
Do it. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, go down with it. Go down with it. Hey, go down with it. Hey.
Can I redeem myself? Can I? Let me sit down. Look, it's Halloween, and I just wanted to dress up.
It's okay. You should have seen my makeup earlier. I got rid of my eyebrows, and yeah, I did you.
So what? You I'm sorry. Everybody been laughing at me. They've been laughing at me. You laughing right now. You can't even keep a straight face. Look, hold on. Look.
Well,
Hello?
why are you creeping around like the Grinch? Why are you creeping around like the Grinch for?
What do you mean I'm creeping around like the Grinch? Yo, chill. I'm not doing anything. Chill. Look. I'm on here trick or treating. And my mustache falling off again. Okay. I can't. I'm folding. I sold. Fuck. Fuck.
Yo, you full setup is good, bro.
Am I streaming?
Bro,
I might be.
the most entertaining person on planet Earth, bro. Put me on the fucking.
Okay.
video.
Show me some entertainment. Show me some.
Okay. Do you know what I am for Halloween?
What are you?
I am that nigga.
Bro, you got KSI love, bro.
Chat. W's in the chat. W's in the chat.
W in the chat. I ain't gonna lie, you swole, bro.
Bro, I be hitting the gym. I be hitting the weights.
Bro, how many times you be in the gym?
6 days a week, nonstop. I'm not even lying, dude. No steroids, no drugs, no nothing.
You natty?
Check this out. Natty, 100%. On Christ, everything. Check this out.
Oh.
Everyone, dude. Most guys, they get a fit. They have like 10 layers. They're like a woman. They're doing all this gay hoopla. Dude, I hit the gym for 4 years. I just put on a $5 shirt and I get every chick I want, any girl I want. They're investing in the wrong thing. They're investing in the wrong thing.
Tell them what they need to be invested to.
I invested in the long run. $5 shirt, nice little watch, $10 pants, and I just pull up. I'm pulling up.
Tell them.
I can even pull it like this. Boom, any chick. But they're doing the wrong investment.
See, you gotta hit the gym to really get the ladies, because once your body looking right and everything, then the girls gonna start noticing. For all the money and everything else, you need to get your body right and get your mind right so you can get them ladies right.
Yep. Because getting your body right comes with every perk. You have confidence, you have muscle, and you don't have to spend $2,000 on clothing. I just buy a $5 shirt and I'm good and I'm straight.
Exactly.
And then for Halloween, I'm just me, that nigga.
You that nigga. Bruh.
Yo, follow me on YouTube at the Jeets. Yo, chat. Follow me. Chat, follow me at the Jeets. You better have like 20 million followers right now. Live stream on Kick or on Twitch or whatever you're on right now.